Hello Flosstube, CraftTube, my name is Tia. Welcome to my channel here at Calm Creations on YouTube, where I share all my crafty bits and pieces that I've been up to and anything else I think you may find interesting along the way. So today I've got a quick Flosstube update. I've done a tiny bit of stitching, so I'll show you what I've been doing. I'll start with my travel stitching, and I've only done a little bit of this since you last saw it the other day. So this is the chart I'm working on, which is A Tale as Old as Time by Rocking Horse Cross Stitch. So this is where I'm up to. So the last time you saw it I was part way through this petal, but I've finished all of that now and I'm going up through the middle to do the rows around the top. So that's coming along nicely. So that is that one. I haven't done any on my other travel stitching, which is Tribal Turtle. I've been working on that one in the car. I do have a bit of travel knitting, and I don't think I've shown this before. So I thought I'll show you now. So I keep these in the car, and just when I feel like knitting I'll knit. I don't know if I've got a picture of the stuff there. No, that's not. So this is a blanket that I'm knitting, and I'm using Mandala ombre yarn, and it's in the colourways greys and blacks and light greys. And so now this blanket is really good because it's only got 10 stitches for the whole blanket. You have to excuse it, it's been squished in my bag. So how you do it, and because it's only 10 stitches for the whole blanket, so I'm up to a corner here, where I come up here, and then you go across, and then you just keep going round and round and round until you get the blanket as big as you like. And because it's only 10 stitches, it just knits up so quickly, and it's all garter stitch, so it's so easy. And it is called the 10 Stitch Blanket by Frankie somebody or other on, hang on, I'll tell you in a sec, on Etsy. Oh, here it is. Frankie's Knitted Stuff. So that's the 10 stitch blanket, and that's what it looks like if you're using a variegated wool. So it's very easy. So that's my blanket. Now I came up with a plan, a cross stitch plan. So the other day when I worked it out, there were only 37 weeks left until the end of the year, and I've got altogether 39 whips. So taking out my two travel pieces, which is A Tale as Old as Time and Tribal Turtle, that gives me 37 whips. So I've decided I'm going to work on each of my 37 whips for a week for the rest of the year. So on Sunday I started, and I've got my list that I made up of all my whips, and I've got the week, the date, the name, and any notes if I want to put anything in there. So first up was Australia, which is by Pixel Stitch. So that's for this week, so that goes from Sunday to Sunday. So every day I'm doing a little bit on this. You're going to have to excuse all the threads. I've been parking them because it's lots of colour changes. So when you last, I'll put a picture in of when I last worked on it, which was a long time ago. And this is where I'm up to now. So since Sunday I've done the gecko and the boomerang. So that's coming along nicely, and in Pattern Keeper it says that I'm at like 39% or something, so I've still got a way to go on that one. And that is my weekly piece. And then the other piece that I've been working on is the monthly calendars by, it was in the, I think it was a Just Cross Stitch magazine. It was a digital subscription. Can't remember who it was by, but I'll show you what I've done. So this is going to be March. This is the March Cottage that I'm doing all the small pieces for. And I'm changing the seasons because our seasons are different here in the southern hemisphere. This I think was originally maybe October, and so October for the northern hemisphere is obviously, you know, fall, autumn for them, but it's already autumn here, so I'm changing this one to autumn. So that's coming along nicely, and I put them on the small scroll frame. If you saw my second-hand shop haul video a few weeks ago, maybe a month, I don't know, I'd picked this small frame up from the second-hand shop, and I've sort of given it a bit of a sand and cleaned it up a bit, and it's perfect for this small piece. So that is my stitching. So the next one that I'm working on is, so that's Australia, so you can see up there. So that's that one, and that's by Pixel Stitch on Etsy. And then next Sunday I will be doing for a week Emerald City, which is a free chart on their website. So that's Emerald City, which is a fun one. I've done all the bottom row, and I think I may have done the Tin Man. I'm not sure. I'll show you next week when I get it out. So that's Emerald City. So that's this week and next week. But that is all my stitching for now. So at least I'm all caught up now, and next week when I film I'll be able to show you the next week of stitching that I've worked on. So there isn't much else to show. And that's it for today. So I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you all again soon. Bye.